My name is Oscar Martinez. I'm the owner of OMG Landscapes. We specialize in all exterior landscapes. Well, we're in the city of Chula Vista right now. It's a brand new development here in the Heritage community. This particular community is called Montecito Village, and we're sitting on top of a hill here. Beautiful views. This family here wanted to extend their outdoor living space, so they wanted to really build something that they were going to be able to use for all types of occasions for their family. I help with all the design aspects and come up with the design concept with their wish list and their desire, pictures that they share with me that they've seen in the RCP catalogs. We came up with this design with the homeowner here. Every job is unique and every job will have its own challenges. So RCP, I found, was one of those companies that were always on time, professional, and always had the product on hand. They have a very fair price. RCP definitely I would recommend to everyone in my industry who is building any type of construction, installation for anything when it comes to doing with landscaping. RCP has helped me grow my business and helped me get to where I am today.